Hello everybody, welcome to the March 2023 market update. Hope you've all had a good winter and survived and are looking forward to spring. I don't know about you, I'm definitely looking forward to spring. I've got a lot to cover with you here on today's update, so I'm going to dive right into it. Real quick, as far as some market numbers, year to date, the NASDAQ is up 12.5%. The S&P is up about 5%. The Dow is up a little less than 1%, whereas our models are performing favorably to that. For example, the artificial intelligence strategy is up about 7% year to date. And it's doing that because it's doing a good job of correctly predicting those earnings and revenue surprises that we talk so often about. For those of you who've been working with us for a while, you may remember that's the whole hypothesis of what makes that strategy work. That the idea being that if we could correctly predict earnings and revenue surprises a high percent of the time, the results should take care of themselves. So every month I get an update from Wayne Ferbert at Alpha DNA on how good of a job that AI is doing. So here's some of the numbers on that. So for the quarter just ended, as of the end of February, over 90% of the S&P 500 companies had reported their earnings and revenue results. So pretty much a complete quarter. As of the end of February, the AI engine had correctly predicted revenue surprises 69% of the time. Compared to the S&P 500, the S&P had only 46% of companies that beat on revenue. So it beat the S&P by 23% in terms of its prediction model. In terms of earnings per share, it correctly predicted that earnings surprise, if you will, 77% of the time, compared to the S&P, which was only 66%. So it continues to do a good job of that prediction. So that's what we kind of keep our eye on here at Mach 1. And also one of the other main models we use, the enhanced dividend strategy. It had a couple of minor adjustments here in the last quarter. I think we sold 3 companies and bought 1. So for those of you who are in that model, you can look at your recent transactions and you'll see which stocks I'm referring to. So we continue to keep a close eye on managing those investments for you to try to keep the account moving in the right direction for you. Okay, now pivoting to the open house. So as I've mentioned, we're very excited about being here in our new location. As I'm speaking, you're seeing a video of the kind of a fly through, a quick tour of the overall building. So you can see that it's a much bigger space than our old space. We've got lots of room to grow. We can even potentially expand up to 30,000 square feet at this one location without leaving if the need presents itself over the coming years. But as is, we've got lots of room to expand just in this existing space that we're in now. So we're very thankful to be here. We're excited to show it to you on March the 30th. That's our open house date. We want you all to show up. We want to celebrate with you because you're the reason why we have this business. So we want to share the space with you, show it to you, and show you how we're going to be able to use it to serve you better. So we hope that you can come. The ribbon cutting will be at 3 p.m. on March 30th. We'll have hors d'oeuvres and refreshments. I think we're going to have a kettle corn machine, and we're going to be donating to 5 charities: The Call, Loving Choices, Fellowship of Christian Athletes, Northwest Arkansas Children's Shelter, and the Child Advocacy Center of Benton County. All charities that are focused on changing and improving the trajectory of the next generation. We hope that you'll come. We hope you'll open your wallet just a little bit and help us contribute to these charities. We're going to be matching every dollar given up to at least $5,000. So help us maximize those donations by contributing, if you can, to any one or all of those charities. We look forward to celebrating with you and showing you the new space. You can go to the link on your screen or scan the QR code that's on this video to make it easy for you to donate to the charities that are going to be represented there at our open house. So again, that's March 30th, 3 p.m. is the ribbon cutting. We hope to see lots and lots of you there. Hope you have a great rest of your winter and a beginning of your spring. Don't forget to set your clocks forward 1 hour this Sunday. See you soon. God bless.